A very good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue this class 2 light reflection and refraction 10th standard CBSE and state physics. So in the previous class we have learned about reflection and loss of reflection. Today we are going to learn the practical applications of reflection. So in the last class, we have learned reflection, the bending and bouncing of light ray back to the same medium of incident is called as reflection. We also studied two laws of reflection. The first law states the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The second law states the incident ray, the normal ray, and the reflected ray all lies on the same plane at the point of incidence. So, this is a phenomenon. Now, the first thing works on reflection is plane mirror. Sorry, children. So, you all have seen mirror at your house. So, a mirror is a device which have two sides. One side is silver coated, the other side is fine polished, glassy finish. So the side which is fine polish and glassy finish reflects the light, whereas silver coated side blocks the light. The device which blocks the light is called as opaque substance. OPAQUE, opaque substance. Remember, children, the device which blocks the light is called as opaque substance. Now, we have seen mirror, it has fine polished glassy finish. So we have two types of mirror. First one is plane mirror. Second one is spherical mirror. What is this plane mirror? What is this spherical mirror? So no need to worry about it. The plane mirror is just a normal mirror which you see at house. Which you see at house. It is a normal mirror. The same. What you see at house is the plane mirror. So this plane mirror, as we discussed, one side is blocked, not allowing the light to pass through it. The one side is fine polished surface, glassy surface. Now, already the last class also we have discussed that from a source, when a light ray falls on this glassy surface, it will bounce back. This phenomenon is called as reflection. So now you can see here I've drawn two lines. The first line is, let me name as AO, and this becomes my incident ray, and this becomes OB, becomes my reflected ray. O becomes my point of incidence. So now at point of incidence, once the ray AO strikes this mirror, what mirror it is? Plane mirror. The light gets reflected back to the same medium. As children, we have to draw normal also. So we know normal is drawn perpendicular to the plane. So this is normal. The red color is a normal. And we all know that the angle made by incident ray and the normal is angle of incidence. Angle made by reflected ray and the normal is called as angle of refraction. So this is the ray diagram, ray diagram for reflection of light at a surface. What surface it is? Plane mirror. So this can be a question, diagram based question for 2 marks for both state and CBSE. So now already we have discussed about uh, everything, that is how reflection takes place in plane mirror. Now we have one more word called image. So I hope you have heard this word called image. What is an image? Image is a replica of, it's a replica of any object due to reflection of light. So now we have seen at house the mirror, what is there in house, the makeup mirror or whatever we call it is. This mirror gives an image of every object which stands in front of it. It can be us, it can be anything. So the image has some characteristics which is being formed by the plane mirror. The characteristics, very important question, it carries 2 marks, that is characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. So before going to that, we have to see some terminologies. That is, this is a mirror. Imagine there is a mirror, and anything which is standing in front of it is called as object. And the distance between the object and the mirror is called as object distance. According to CBSE and state, it is denoted by letter small u. And you have observed, children, whenever you stand in front of a mirror, you feel at same distance, you feel a replica of that object. Even that object also stands certain distance, and this is my image. And the distance between the mirror and the image inside the mirror is called as image distance. Image distance. Now you got to know about object distance, you got to know about image distance. Image distance is given by letter small v. Now for a plane mirror, the distance of the image is always equal to distance of object from the mirror. So that means at what distance the object is standing in front of mirror, the same distance is the image formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. The first characteristics. Second characteristic is image formed. We call the height of the image. This is the height of the image, or we call as size of image. So size of image is also equal to size of object. That means you can feel that, or you can see that the object height is same as that of image height. So imagine, children, you are standing the previously when you stand in front of stood in front of plane mirror, you would have noticed that whatever your height in front of a mirror image is same as that of your height itself. So that means size of image is nothing but height of image. Size and height are one and the same with respect to this image formation. So size of image is equal to size of object. And we have one more thing. So however you're standing, the same is the object also. This we call as erect image, straight image. There are two types of image. One is inverted image and one is erect image. Erect image is the normal way, the head is head and the legs are leg. But in inverted image, it will be reverse. And one more, we have two types of image formation. One is real and one is virtual. What is real image and what is virtual image? Real images are image formed in front of mirror. In front of mirror. Any image if it's formed in front of mirror is called real image. Any image which is formed behind mirror is called as virtual image. And we can capture only real image. We can't capture virtual image. We can capture only real image. Real image can be captured on screen. So the image formed in a plane mirror is always virtual and erect. So this is my third point. Got to know virtual, that is image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror only image is formed. And it is straight, erect. And one more very important the concept is the image formed is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. What is the meaning of laterally inverted? The left of the object is right in the image, right of the object is left in the image. So this swapping of right and left is called as lateral image. Left becomes right and right becomes left. I hope you have understood the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. So next we are going to a topic about spherical mirrors. The plane mirror is the reflecting surface is flat. For a plane mirror, the reflecting surface, this is a reflecting surface and we have a flat reflecting surface. So only it is called as plane. This is a flat reflecting surface. Whereas spherical reflecting surface, when the reflecting surface is curved, the reflecting surface is curved, then we call it as spherical mirror. Curved mirror. So we have two types of spherical mirror. The first one is concave mirror. The second one is convex mirror. So we have two types of spherical mirror, concave and convex mirror. So let us classify what is first one, concave mirror and convex mirror. So I am taking two mirrors, spherical mirrors. So you can see here two spherical mirrors. For the first one, let us define what is concave mirror. So what is concave mirror is, now I got a spherical glass. This is nothing but a glass. Mirror is usually made up of a glass-like material. So what I do is, then outside I coat with silver. So I'll coat with silver. Inside I will do smooth polish surface. So now I will cut to one section here. This part where outside is opaque medium, inside is fine smooth polish or reflecting surface, such type of mirror is called as concave mirror, where the reflecting surface is bulged inwards. You can see this is bulged inwards. Everyone, children, you can make a hand little bit close in a shape of a snake head, so that the palm inside you is a reflecting surface, behind you it is a opaque substance. Such type of mirrors are called as concave mirror. Same way, now I will do polished outside and opaque inside and I'll cut to one session, this type of mirror becomes convex mirror. Convex mirror. So we have two types of spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. So now I'm cut and I got it. So I get a two mirrors. One is bulged inwards, reflecting surface is bulged inwards, and whenever is bulged outside. So now we have two mirrors. Now we have to see its properties, how it behaves, what all this terminology is associated with, and how light behaves when light enters to it. So now let us consider a beam of light coming from a source hitting a concave surface. Now I can see the concept by applying the concept of reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection concept. I have found that after hitting this mirror for a concave mirror, the light, all light ray used to reflect such way that they used to meet at one particular point. So all the rays which are being reflecting back are trying to meet at one place, and this we call as convergence. So we call this mirror as converging mirror. So which mirror is converging mirror? Concave mirror is converging mirror. Got to know about ray formation in concave mirror? Now let us go with the same way. The same parallel beam of light is being incident on convex mirror. If I am using the same concept of angle of incidence and angle of reflection, it was found that all rays were moving away. They are moving away, apart, and that concluded that convex mirror is diverging mirror. Diverging mirror. Concave mirror is a converging mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror. That is, rays after reflection, they are going away. They are not all meeting, they are spreading out. So today we have learnt about mirrors, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Thank you for your kind cooperation, children. Please share the videos to your friends. Subscribe my channel to have a complete update on physics, mathematics. Sooner I'll be starting even mathematics too. Once I complete this chapter, I come upon a proper timetable from Monday to Saturday. So with various subjects, you can have some basic concepts also, and I am planning to upload some basic concepts on addition, subtraction, multiplication, some of the physics basic concepts, some beauty and nature. I always believe for any science the biggest laboratory is nature. We learn lot of things at home, some physics concept even our mothers do apply, but they don't know practically. They do practically, sorry, but they don't know theoretically. So we are here to teach you theoretically. You can apply it at home, at any place, to have a complete knowledge on the subject. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.